In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Zoho CRM Org ID. This is a straightforward process, but it can be crucial for integrating various applications and services with Zoho CRM. Let's walk through the steps together, making sure you feel confident and comfortable by the end. To begin, you'll need to log in to your Zoho CRM account. If you've never logged in before, or if it's been a while, make sure you have your credentials ready. Once you're on the Zoho homepage, navigate to the Login section. Here, you can enter your email or any other login details you might need, such as your password. If you're having any trouble logging in, double-check your details or use the password recovery option to reset your password via email. Now that you're logged in, it's time to locate your Org ID. This step is important because the Org ID is a unique identifier for your Zoho CRM account, and it's often required for different types of integrations and API calls. So to find it, all you need to do is direct your attention to the top of your browser screen where the URL or address bar is displayed. This URL contains vital information about your session and your organization. As you look at the URL, you'll notice a sequence of characters and numbers. Take a moment to focus on this part, particularly the section after the text that reads org. This is where your Org ID is located. Typically, it appears as a series of numeric digits following the slash. It might look like a random string of numbers, but this is your key to accessing various functional and administrative features in Zoho CRM. If this is your first time dealing with URLs for retrieving information, don't worry. It might seem a little technical, but with these steps, you'll see it's relatively simple. It's a good habit to familiarize yourself with such structures, as it can greatly enhance your ability to manage and customize your CRM experience. Once you've identified your Org ID, make a note of it in a secure place. Remember, your Org ID is sensitive information that should be handled with care, just like your password. You might need it for configuring settings or when you contact support. And that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge of how to find your Org ID in Zoho CRM via the URL. Whether you're setting up a new integration or troubleshooting an existing one, knowing where to find your Org ID is invaluable. Keep practicing, and soon this will become second nature. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or consult the Zoho Help Center for more detailed guidance. Thanks for watching, and have a great day exploring the capabilities of your Zoho CRM system.